Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to learn how to make thumbnails that grab instant attention? Let's dive in. Click Create, then type YouTube in the search bar to find relevant templates or content options quickly. Next, select the YouTube thumbnail to represent this tutorial clearly and attractively. Click to confirm. Here are our templates. Select this template to apply it to your current project. Click Edit on the image to open it for modifications and adjustments. Add effects by selecting them from the menu. Adjust the color using the color picker, then resize your element by dragging the corners or entering specific dimensions. Click the color palette to select your preferred color. You can customize it to any shade you like, ensuring your design matches your vision perfectly. Apply the 3D effect by selecting the option. Adjust settings to enhance depth, then preview to see the changes in real time. To duplicate this item, right-click it, select Duplicate from the menu, or use the shortcut Ctrl+D to quickly create an exact copy. Adjust the object slightly, then go to Position Settings. Find the text labeled S3 and move it to the top of the layer stack to ensure it displays above other elements. You can also move this element by clicking and dragging it to your desired position on the screen. Simply hold the mouse button down, reposition the item, and release to place it where you want within your layout or workspace. Select the control group, then click and drag to move it. You can move individual controls or the entire group together for efficient adjustments within your project workspace. Select the background image and adjust it as needed. Use the transformation handles to resize or reposition the image. Next, open the Effects panel to add filters or visual enhancements. Apply the desired effect to enhance the image's appearance. Customize the intensity to suit your design. This improves your project's overall look and feel. Select the object and open the Effects panel. Choose the glow effect, then adjust the intensity and color to enhance the appearance subtly. Fine-tune the settings until the glow complements your design without overpowering it. Activate the glow effect by clicking it now. Adjust the process as needed by selecting different options. You can also change the file by clicking the file icon and choosing a new one from your device. After completing your design, click the Download button. Choose your preferred file format and adjust the quality settings if needed. Then, confirm your choices to start downloading the finished design to your device. Adjust the size for optimal quality. To ensure the best print results, save your document as a PDF before printing. Now you know how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva that pops. Like and subscribe for more simple design tips.